Hey y'all, ready for a quick, delicious, and nourishing meal? Today, we're cooking up a hearty black bean and kale soup that comes together in no time. This dish is perfect for moms-to-be and nursing moms because it's built around two nutrient-rich ingredients, black beans and kale. Black beans are loaded with plant-based protein and fiber, which will keep you full and energized throughout the day. They also provide folate, an important nutrient during pregnancy, and iron, which helps with blood and oxygen flow. Kale has vitamins A and C, along with minerals like calcium and potassium. All these nutrients help support strong bones, a healthy immune system, and overall well-being for both moms and their babies. So, let's get started. First, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds and dry with a paper towel. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Once it's warm, add the diced onions. Cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes until it becomes soft and see-through. All right, time to bring everything together. Pour in the low-sodium vegetable broth, the cans of black beans with their liquid that helps thicken the soup and adds great flavor. Then stir in the kale. Add the garlic powder and no salt Creole seasoning. Give everything a good mix and bring it up to a low boil. Cover and let it cook for about 25 minutes until everything is heated through and the flavors come together. Stir every now and then. To add some grains, you can serve this over a scoop of brown rice or with a side of cornbread. And if you want a little something extra, top with shredded cheese or a few slices of avocado. Pair this with a side of mandarin oranges, canned and 100% juice for some extra folate and vitamin C for moms and their babies. This recipe makes 6 to 8 servings, which is great for meal prepping or feeding the whole family. Store leftovers in the fridge for 3 to 4 days or freeze portions for up to 2 to 3 months for an easy grab-and-go meal. You can find the full recipe at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. And don't forget to follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more easy and nutritious meals. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.